If this law passes and California forces Uber drivers to become employees, I'm literally quitting my job as an Uber driver. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today's video is something that I never thought I would make. I never thought I would make this video on my channel, but unfortunately, there's so much going on right now. By the way, if you haven't met me yet, hello, my name is Dylan. Nice to meet you. Even, yes, all you haters out there watching my videos. Nice to meet you guys. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing. If you like my videos, give the video a thumbs up. If you like news breaking stories, if you like me being real with you guys, if you just drive for Uber or for Lyft, give the video a thumbs up. So just a quick debrief for everyone who doesn't know what is going on. Basically, within the last month, the California Assembly wrote a bill. They passed a bill to make Uber and Lyft drivers employees. So that bill still needs to be passed through the Senate, meaning that the governor still needs to pass the bill, veto it, filibuster it, change it. Basically, California government has decided that Uber and Lyft has been hacking the system and that Uber drivers are essentially employees. They should be considered employees, not independent contractors. So I'm gonna go through that right now. I have my articles pulled up and I'm gonna go through it really quickly and I'm gonna show you what is going to happen if this law passes and why I'm gonna be quitting Uber if that passes. Really quickly, as you can see here, Uber Lyft appeal for deal on driver status as independent contractors. Once the California Assembly wrote that bill and now it's passed on to the Senate, Uber Lyft reached out and said, hey, California, you know, we don't want this to pass. What can we do? They actually offered an increase in pay, employee type benefits, and, you know, healthcare, minimum set wage for drivers. And, you know, all that sounds really nice, but what's it gonna look like when the bill actually does pass or when the governor makes a decision? There are now 3 million drivers in the United States. And, you know, just so many people rely on Uber for full-time income. And so as you can see here, I actually got an email from Uber themselves saying, Uber saying, hey Dylan, you know, we need your help. They actually don't have the power to control the government. I know, they need us. So they want us to sign this bill right here, or not the bill, sorry, the petition. I'm not gonna go through it all. You guys can go through it on your own. But I'm thinking about signing this. You know, I haven't signed it yet. I still need to write out my little paragraph here. And if I do sign it, a lot of you guys say, don't sign the bill. Will you be signing the bill? Or the petition, sorry, excuse me. But really quickly, this is the reason I'm gonna keep this video short. This is the reason why I will not be an employee for Uber. As you can see here, Uber's CEO reached out and said, we can make independent work better if we update our century-old employment laws. And Uber actually came together with Lyft for the first time ever and actually fight this together. Well, this is the really important part right here. This was the ruling a year ago that decided that workers are employees entitled to state wage law protections unless they are conducting work that is outside the usual course of the company's business. For companies whose core service is transporting customers via an army of drivers they claim are all contractors, that could be a challenging test to pass. So guys, I actually, you know, I think that this law is probably gonna pass. Why? Because based on that, we are doing the usual course of business. You know, we are employees pretty much. Not employees, but we're doing employee work. So that should basically come to pass. And if that passes, I will not be driving for Uber. I'm quitting Uber. Why? I don't want a set schedule. The reason I quit my job to drive for Uber is to have a flexible schedule. I don't want a minimum wage. I don't want to, you know, I go out there and I drive, you know, you guys know me. I'm always hustling, you know, trying to recruit passengers to sign up. I do, you know, stereo, I do cargo, all these different services to make extra money. And then 3, I don't want to be limited to one app. If you're an employee, you can't work for 17 different apps. It's not a side hustle anymore. And number 4, I don't want them to control my hours and where I work. You know, I like to drive where I want. I know the good markets, you know, yes, it is a hustle. You kind of got to strategize, but that's why, guys, I will not be driving if this does pass. So let me know, will you be quitting Uber, or will you still, you know, keep fighting the battle? And yes, this is only in California, but if this does pass in California, don't think it's not going to all the other states soon. You know, the other states will catch on eventually. See what's going on in New York City already. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, again, please give the video a big thumbs up. If you want an increase in pay, if you want more benefits, give the video a big thumbs up. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe so you never miss another video on my channel. This is breaking news. I guess this is a breaking news channel. All right, guys, you guys are awesome. I will talk to you all shortly. Bye, guys.